Well, hello, Coffee Time friends. How are y'all doing? It's Southern Sunday Lunch. I'm kind of excited for Southern Sunday Lunch today. We're having one of our favorites, fried chicken and spaghetti. We take chicken tenders. Sometimes Mama makes it all homemade. Sometimes we use Tyson, but really there's not a hand turn for the difference. They're delicious. And we're going to put our spaghetti, and we're going to put a fried chicken, and we're going to put some spaghetti sauce over it. Getting ready to put this in. The spaghetti sauce is already made over on the stove. And it's from Hamburger Man I made up with the onion. We ate half of it and something else the other day. What was it?
Chili, I guess.
What you got in the cup?
What's it say?
Oh, young sweet tea. That was a dumb question, John. So I put that. No. I put that much spaghetti in there. We've got company coming today. And I put a little bit of mama salt in there, and that's what we're having. That's what we're seasoning with today. And we're going to put water up to about right here. Well, let me look and see. Yep. Up to about right there, actually. And we're going to get that in the microwave for 10 minutes. And the sauce is just over there percolating. We have company coming, and so we're not going to eat with y'all today. We're just going to tell you what we're eating and see what you all are up to.
They might be having something really, really good.
They might be. What do y'all have? I want to wish the California guys
Oh, yes.
a happy 12th anniversary.
Well, hello.
They always send mama cards and all this stuff.
And send those good cookies.
Oh, cookies. And Mama just loves them boys, and they've adopted her all the way. Isn't it wonderful that you can make connections with no boundaries of state lines? And they're in California, we're in East Tennessee, almost coast to coast. But we formed this friendship, and it's wonderful.
Oh, yeah.
And they asked me one time, so do you mind if we adopt your mama? I said, fellas, have at it. She
Yeah.
might even move in with you if you ask her.
When I worked at school, there's 300 and 400 kids, and some call me mommy, some call me mama, and one little girl or two little girls was in an argument one day, and I said, what are you arguing over? And one little girl said, ain't you my mama?
We'll be out in the store and people say, Mama!
And I said, honey, if you want me to be your mama, I'm your mama, yeah. And that other little girl said, I said, and I'll be your mama too.
Isn't it sweet when blood doesn't matter?
No, you don't have to be blood kin to love kids and love
So guys,
people.
I hope you get out and have a good time today. There's our company. Hope y'all get out and have a good time today, and I hope you enjoy many more times 12s. So 12 is a long time, but many more times 12 will be great. So happy anniversary for us.
Happy anniversary.
I told Mama this morning, she said, oh, the boys' anniversary. I'm so happy they're getting to do something today. Well, hello, ma'am.
Hello, Kenny Pooh.
She's delivering a ham. It ain't every day you get a ham delivered. We're having our CIA dinner Wednesday night. Usually I'll pull together some deviled eggs or some baked beans or something. So this week it's a bigger deal. More just because we decided to make it a bigger deal, But anyhow, it's a bigger deal. We're having a big potluck, not just a finger food. Most of the time we call it a finger food potluck, where you just bring your favorite snack food, your favorite party food, and that's what we do.
So Mother's Day gift I got down at the...
To a sweet and special mom. Ain't that sweet? Mom went to the post office yesterday. It says, you're very special to a lot of us, especially those have lost our precious moms. God bless you. So sorry this is late. I hope you like these. Deb Hardy, it's never late. It's always right on time.
Oh,
It don't
yeah.
matter.
I
Know
like
that,
to scatter them out. Get them out.
yeah. Know that today and every day you are loved. Happy Mother's Day with love, Deb Brock Harding. Thank you, Deb.
And
Show 'em what you got.
A Pioneer thing.
I'm just now seeing this. Pioneer Woman insulated. Oh, it's one of those totes. I thought it was an apron.
No, I put it.
Oh, okay,
Look
look
how
here.
pretty.
We could use that Wednesday night for baked
Yes,
beans.
we sure can. And look here, I love this. And feel how soft it is.
It is soft. It says, give thanks to the Lord for he is good. His love endures forever. Psalms 136:1.
Blessed Girl is the name
What's
of
a
it.
blessed girl?
Mhm.
Yeah, that's the name of the shirt too.
Yeah,
Mom, you look good in that color too.
yeah. I'll be
This will
wearing
be good, Miss Pioneer Woman. We'll see what we can. Is there somebody knocking on the door? Who is it? Look, it's another company. See, it's insulated. Wonderful. Anyhow, our company's arriving, so we're going to get started. And you all have a blessed day. Have a good day. Thank you, Miss Deb, for these wonderful gifts for my mama. Well, I'll share her with you. And just glad to have somebody who loves her. I love the way you all love my mama. And even if it ain't Mother's Day today, any day is great. And we love that. So I think our company's here, and we're going to go and enjoy them and have a wonderful Sunday and make some memories. And I hope you all do the same thing. And I just really can't imagine a prettier day to do prettier things than just have a good time. Say goodbye, Mama, and happy anniversary, guys.
Yes, happy anniversary and bye-bye. God bless you.
Bye-bye.
You're looking through